What's up everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this super lint remover. So this is actually a corded one. As you can see, it's plugged in here, just plugs into the back side right there. Right here is the container where the lint goes into, and you just basically this slides off pretty easy. It's easier with two hands, but as you can see right there, it comes off and then slides back on pretty easy. Get this back on, it slides into the grooves, back onto the lint remover, and I'll plug this back in. All right, got this plugged back in. So there's the bottom side. This is what right here is what removes the lint. There's a blade in there that spins around real fast when you turn on the power button. Here's the power button right here, as you can see. So I'll just show you this real quick using it on this garment right here that I got. So just remove some of this lint here. Just kind of rub it against the garment, get the lint off. But that's pretty much it.